Assalamu alaikum. So let's start our this next part. Here an equation is given to us, and that is a plus a bar into ab plus abc bar. Now we have to simplify this equation. So the first step is to multiply these equations, because if the two equations are given, then how we can simplify without multiplying them. So we will multiply a with this equation and then a bar with all these equations. So we will get aab plus aabc bar plus a bar b plus a bar bc bar. So this is simple simplification. Now we will see if we can apply any rules or laws into it. Here you can see that first of all, because there are four equations, this 1 2 3 4, so we will solve one by one. If we can apply any rule on AAB, yes, because there is a rule for A into A, and this is the rule A into A. A into A is equal to A. So this is rule number 1 2 3 4. We are applying rule number 5. A into A is equal to A. So A into A is equal to A. So the output will be A into B. Now we move toward the second. Second is A into A B dash. Here also we apply rule number 5. So now because you have more understanding of these laws, so you can also increase the steps, or you can do all the laws in the same step, because now the equation is not complicated and we are using same rule. So here also same rule number 5 is applied. So if we apply here A into A, it will be equal to A, and B into C dash will remain the same. Now we move toward the third one, that is A into A bar B. Is there any rule for A into A bar? Yes, A into A bar is always equal to 0. That is rule number 6, 7, 8. According to rule number 8, A into A bar is always equal to 0. So if A into A bar is equal to 0, then 0 into B will be equal to 0 as per rule number 8. Now we take our last equation, that is A into A bar B into C bar. Here also A into A bar is equal to 0, so it will also make it this whole equation 0 as per rule number 8. So here in this equation we use 2 times our rule 5 and 2 times our rule 8 in order to solve this equation. Now we will do further simplification. How? We can take common AB from this. If we take common, the remaining will be 1 plus C dash, and here we will again apply one rule for changing the C bar into C, and another rule is to apply 1 plus C rule. So as you can see that A bar is equal to A, so what will be C bar? C bar will be is equal to C. So in order to convert our C bar into C, we apply our rule number 9, and because 1 plus C, here you can see 1 plus A is equal to 1, so 1 plus C is equal to also 1, so we apply rule number 2. So what is 1 plus C? That is 1, so our remaining is A into B. So now you can see that here we will be using 1 gate, 2 gate, 3 gate, and combining 4 gates. But after simplification we always only use 1 gate. So simplification help us reduce our 4 gates, 1 2 3 4 5. Here we are using 1 2 3 4 4 gates into 1 gate. So how useful is this simplification? You also do this example 3 to 4 times repeatedly, so that you will have further understanding. There are also other Boolean laws which are more complicated, which we will do in our next lecture, and by using those laws we can further simplify these equations. But for now you only use these simple rules and try to solve these 3 today's examples again and again to get better understanding. Why again and again? Because if you will repeat this example, then you will know that where you have to apply these laws, how you can identify the law, and where you can just only simplify without using the laws. So after doing these 3 examples, then there are 2 practice examples for you. You can do these practice examples on your own, and in next lecture, next theory lecture, I will give you the solutions and I will also explain these examples for your better understanding. So one thing I want to clear that these Boolean expression, this today's lecture is not included in our midterm, but these practice examples, these are from the previous lectures, so these are included. So you have to just learn the method of drawing the laws for the block diagram, or from the block diagram how to write the equation. In your midterm exam I will give you the same type of equations or block diagram. There will be change in the gates, or there will be change in these equations, but the laws will be same. So you can do more and more practice on this. And still, if you have some questions related to today's lecture, then you can contact me directly. Thank you.